Welcome! If you've been trying to figure out how to show your activity status on the Instagram app while using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made a few changes to where this setting lives. So if you couldn't find it before, don't worry, it's actually pretty simple once you know where to look. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up more options. From the menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all your account and privacy options. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Messages and Story Replies. Click on that to continue. This area controls how you interact with messages and how others can engage with your content. Now, you'll see an option called Activity Status. Click on it and you'll find the toggle for Show Activity Status. All you need to do here is turn that option on. Once it's enabled, your friends and followers will be able to see when you're active or when you were last online.